Hello everyone. I'm showing how to make mustard green pickle. This is the mustard green. We have 2 kg and we use with the salt 100 gram. And we mix together between mustard green and salt. We mix together. After we mix together already, and then we press it. Let the taste connect each other like this. And the salt mix together. And then we start frying palm sugar. You can see this is the palm sugar, but you don't have palm sugar. You can fry white sugar too. After we fry palm sugar already, it become a slightly dark brown color, and then we pour the water in. Pour the water and then the storing. Let the sugars melting. After the sugars melting already, it become a sugar water. After it become a sugar water, and then we stirring it. We stirring one by one. Stirring. After we stirring it, we can see this is the porridge. Porridge. We use the porridge water. You can see we pour in the porridge water, and then we move out the rice. We take only the water. We can see this is the sugar water and porridge water mixed together already, and then we add mustard green. We add mustard green. After we add mustard green already, and then leave it for 2 days. And now we arrange mustard green in water. We arrange mustard green in water. This water have only salt and sugar. We arrange mustard green. After we arrange mustard greens already, and then we leave it for 2 days. We arrange it. Arrange one by one. After we arrange already, and then we cover it and leave it for 2 days. After for 2 days, we got mustard green pickle. This is the mustard green pickle. We can eat with fried fish. So it's delicious fried fish. We fry fish without add any grocery, and we eat with the mustard green pickle like this. It's delicious. It's on time. Thank you for watching, and good luck everyone and every family in the world. Bye bye.